And welcome back. We want to get back to some breaking news that we told you about earlier in the newscast. Right now, a verdict has been reached in the sexual assault case against a former Pima County deputy. News 4 Tucson's chief investigative reporter Corus Nylander first broke this story and just stepped out of the courtroom right now with the latest right now. We're going to get to him. Corus, what do you know?
Yeah, well, just moments ago, Angelique, this jury came back after about 5 hours of deliberations. They returned a not guilty verdict on the two main counts of sexual assault that Ricky Garcia was facing. But on each of those counts, there were two lesser offenses of attempted sexual abuse. They found him guilty on all of those lesser offenses here. Still a lot of work left before there's an end to this trial. After that verdict was read, they entered what's called the aggravating factors phase of this trial, because they have three alleged aggravating offenses attached to these charges. Now, what that means is they had the ability to bring on more testimony to make their case for that. The prosecutors did, but they chose to only call back one witness to make the case. It was very brief. They brought back the victim, asked her in front of this jury of 8 men and women how this incident has impacted her life, which she emotionally said through tears that this, in many ways, ruined her career as a law enforcement officer. She felt she couldn't trust people in the department she once trusted, and perhaps with her life, and that this really impacted her relationship with her own family. She made a very emotional plea to this jury. They were then, once again, sent off to deliberate just these aggravating factors. That's what they're doing right now at this moment here. Possibly could have this determined before the end of the day. The court here is supposed to close at 5 o'clock. Of course, there's the weekend. It would not be favorable for this court to have to send this jury back and then bring them back Monday to continue to do this, but they'll do what they have to do for the judicial process. We're going to continue monitoring what's going on in there, and we'll let you know as they come back with this final verdict on those aggravating factors. We're live outside of Pima County Superior Court. Corus Nylander, News 4 Tucson.